Hello everyone, do you have a flat tire or you want to change your tire or you want to pump your tire? This 5-in-1 car toolkit is all you need for your car emergencies. And always make sure that your warning triangle faces oncoming traffic. For your power source, you have your cigarette lighter. You can plug into your car cigarette charger. You can use your car battery, so you plug into the socket, and then as usual, red for positive, black for negative. Connect to your jack. Align your jack with your car. You switch on the light to see what's really doing, and then you switch on your jack and then up to raise the car. Connect your power source to your impact wrench. Then you select the right sleeve for your car tire and you loosen the nuts. It's that easy. You connect, put in your nuts, and then using your impact wrench, you tighten the nuts. Pump your tire, you connect your power source to the jack, and then using your air hose, connect it. It tells you exactly what your pressure, your tire pressure is. So we inflate the tire now. And as you can see, we are done. And everything done in less than 15 minutes. You can let down the car, you go back to your jack and then down.